Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing Zosui. It's a perfect dish if you are searching for a cozy soup. It transforms leftover rice into a flavorful and nourishing Japanese soup. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 100 grams of daikon radish, 1/2 of carrot, 2 pieces of shiitake mushrooms, 1/2 of scallion, 1 egg, 2 servings of cooked rice. For the soup, 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of kombu dashi powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Step 1. Slice daikon, carrot, shiitake mushrooms, and scallions. Step 2. Crack an egg and beat it in a small bowl. Step 3. Add water, dashi powder, and sliced vegetables in a medium pot and boil over medium heat. Step 4. Reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for 4 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Step 5. Add the cooked rice to the pot and continue simmering for a few additional minutes. Step 6. Season the soup with salt and soy sauce according to your taste. Step 7. Gently pour the beaten egg into the simmering soup and continue to simmer for 1 more minute. Ladle the zosui into small bowls and top with chopped scallions. I hope you enjoy this comforting Japanese rice soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.